Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to explain how to use 3D translation and rotation tools in Animate and how to take advantage of them to animate some objects like butterfly or bird or an airplane. We are going to test them, to practice them, to exercise them on a butterfly. Let's just create a new scene. Here in the toolbox, you can see them. Sometimes you will not find them here, the 3D rotation and the 3D translation tool. So you need to click at these three dots. You will find them here. All you need to do is click and drag them to the toolbox. Let me import a file. In the page color. Here we have a butterfly. The layers for the butterfly are separated. We have the body, the first one and the second one. In order to use the 3D tools in Animate, we need to convert any object. We want to use these tools on it. We need to convert the objects or the shapes or the content that we have to symbol, and then we need to select a movie clip. So I'm going to do that by pressing on F8, movie clip, not like that. I need to select only the body, F8, then enter, F8, then enter, and F8, then enter. Now I can click and you can see I can navigate, I can rotate, but of course I need to fix the reference point. Uh, for using the 3D tools in Animate, it's better to fix to adjust the reference point for the pre-transform and the 3D tools we have. So I'm going to start with the pre-transform. I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to move the reference point here. Let me select the other one, and then move it here. And for the body also, it's better to put it here. And then I'm going back to the 3D tool. Also, I'm going to click and drag for the wing, move it here. I need to specify from where or the rotation habit based on where the location that the rotation is going to happen based on. Now, if we try it here inside the transform, you can see that it worked fine for us. Let us open the frame or insert a blank frame by pressing on F5. Here, for the first one, right-click, create motion tween. Focus on something also. 3D tools will not work with the classic tween. The 3D tools we have works only with the motion tween. Let us change both of them to motion tween. And here at frame 5, I'm going to start creating the animation for the wings like this. At frame 10, I'm going to put them back up. At frame 15, let us put them back down. Up. Mm, I'm going to create an animation for 25 frames and continue working with the other frames. Here, if I play now, okay, if I want to move the whole butterfly, first of all, I need to create a motion screen for the body. Then I need to select all of them by using the free transform. I'm going to move them here, for example, and here at frame 25, I'm going to select all the butterfly parts. Then I'm going to move them, for example, here. Now you can see, of course, here at the middle, I can fix it or make it move not in a straight direction. Can enable the play, the loop, and that's how we can create an animation for a butterfly or bird or rotating an airplane van by using the 3D tool. We have also the 3D translation tool. By using the 3D translation tool, we can move the object in X-axis and Y-axis, like the free transform, and also we can move it in Z-axis. We can put it far away from the camera or very close to the camera without changing the scale. That's it for today, and thank you.